Herbal distillate is an aqueous formulation of a specific herb or combination of several herbs prepared with steam distillation method. In Ayurveda and Unani medicine, it is also called Ark. The most commonly used herbal distillate in almost every house is rose water or gulab Ark. How to make herbal distillate? Take coarse powder of herbs, seeds, roots, bark or flowers. If you have fresh herbs or flowers, then cut them into small pieces and crush them. Put herbs in pure drinkable water. Take water 8 times of herbs weight. Soak herbs in water for about 12 hours. Next day, put the mixture into herbal distillate equipment or Nadika Yantra. Put herbal distillate equipment on the stove and start giving medium heat. The flame should not be too high because it will be harmful to the herbal distillate and may reduce the therapeutic value of the herbal distillate. Water will start getting vaporized and will collect in distillate collector. Herbal distillate should be clear and transparent. It should have fragrance of herbs from which it is prepared. You can prepare herbal distillate of any herb with this method. Benefits of herbal distillate. Your body easily digests the herbal distillates. These are gentler than other herbal preparations. Therefore, it is most suitable for babies, children and old-aged people. Based on the ingredients of herbal distillate, it has a variety of functions and benefits. All benefits of an herbal distillate are attributed to its composition. Sometimes, herbal distillates are mistakenly known as herbal water. Herbal distillate has unique preparation method. It has different formulation than herbal water. Herbal water preparation method does not involve distillation technique. Also check our video on how to make herbal water. Its link has been given in the description.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and share this video and subscribe our channel Ayur Times.